Hey everyone, welcome back to the Minimal Earth Life. Have you ever looked around your home, at all your stuff and just felt overwhelmed? Like you're drowning in things you don't even use or need? Or maybe you check your bank account at the end of the month and wonder where all your money went. If that sounds familiar, you are in the right place. Because today we're kicking off something truly transformative, the Minimal Earth Frugal Challenge. This isn't just another decluttering video. This is a 30-day journey designed to completely reset your relationship with money and possessions. We're going to dive deep into the principles of minimalism and frugal living, not as a way to deprive ourselves, but as a way to enrich our lives with what truly matters. Imagine having more money for experiences, more time for your hobbies and loved ones, and a clear, peaceful space to come home to. That's the goal. So what exactly is this challenge for the next 30 days? We're going to follow a simple, step-by-step plan. Each week we'll have a different focus, from tracking our spending and decluttering our physical space to mastering mindful consumption and finding free, joyful activities. I'll be here with you every step of the way, sharing tips, tricks, and my own progress. This is a community challenge, so we'll be doing it together. Let's start with week 1, the awareness week. The first step to any change is understanding where you currently stand. So, for the next 7 days, our main goal is to simply observe. Don't try to change anything just yet. The first task is to track every single penny you spend. Yes, every single one. That morning coffee, the subscription you forgot about, that impulse buy online. Get a small notebook, use a notes app on your phone, or download a budgeting app. The method doesn't matter, but the consistency does. This isn't about judging yourself, it's about gathering data. You might be shocked at what you discover. Simultaneously, we're going to do a stuff audit. Walk through your home, room by room, and just take notice of things. Open your closets, your drawers, look at your shelves. Again, no major decluttering just yet. Just observe. Ask yourself, when was the last time I used this? Does this item bring me joy, or does it just take up space? Does it add value to my life? This mental inventory is crucial for what's coming in week 2. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking: frugal. Minimalist? Doesn't that mean living a boring, empty life? Absolutely not. This is one of the biggest misconceptions. Frugality isn't about being cheap. It's about being resourceful. It's about directing your money towards what you truly value. And minimalism isn't about owning nothing. It's about making room for everything that matters. It's about intentionality. By cutting out the excess, we create space, time, and resources for more travel, more learning, more quality time with family, or even saving for a big goal like a down payment on a house. Think of it this way: every dollar you spend is a vote for the kind of life you want. Right now, are your votes scattered, or are they aligned with your deepest goals and values? This 30-day challenge is our opportunity to align our spending with our dreams. Let's talk about the next few weeks to give you a sneak peek. Week 2 will be the great declutter. Armed with the awareness from week 1, we will start systematically clearing out the clutter. We'll use proven methods like the KonMari method or the 4-box technique to make it manageable and even fun. We'll talk about how to sell, donate, or responsibly recycle the things you no longer need, maybe even making a little cash in the process. Then, in week 3, we'll focus on mindful consumption. This is where we learn to break the cycle of mindless shopping. We'll implement rules like the 30-day waiting period for non-essential purchases. We'll explore the psychology behind advertising and learn how to become savvy, conscious consumers who buy for need and long-term value, not for a fleeting emotional high. We'll also dive into the world of DIY, repairing things instead of replacing them, and discovering the joy of creating. Finally, week 4 is all about lifestyle integration. We'll work on building these new habits into our daily lives, so they stick long after the 30 days are over. We'll explore free and low-cost hobbies, learn to cook delicious and inexpensive meals at home, and find joy in simple pleasures. We'll talk about how to apply these principles to our social lives, our gift-giving, and our long-term financial planning. The goal is to create a sustainable lifestyle that feels abundant and joyful, not restrictive. So, are you ready to join me? Here's your homework for today. First, commit to the challenge. Say it out loud: I am doing the 30-day frugal challenge. Second, set up your spending tracker. Grab that notebook or download an app right now. Third, share your commitment in the comments below. Let us know you're in, and maybe share one thing you're hoping to achieve in the next 30 days. Building a community around this is going to be our biggest superpower. We can hold each other accountable, share our wins, and support each other through the tough spots. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Be kind to yourself. There will be days when you slip up, and that's okay. The goal is progress, not perfection. It's about consciously deciding to live a more intentional life, one day at a time. I am so incredibly excited to do this with all of you. It's going to be a month of incredible growth and discovery. Imagine, just 30 days from now, feeling lighter, richer in what matters, and more in control of your life than ever before. Let's do this! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our weekly check-in videos for the challenge. Let me know you're in by commenting "I'm in" down below. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the comments and in our next video. Let the challenge begin.